Hi, I'm going to show you how you can hide or change the profile picture of any WhatsApp contact as long as you're using Android devices. This can be done using an app called Hide WhatsApp Profile Pic, which I already have installed, as you can see here. Its short name is Hide Profile, and you can download it from the Google Play Store. As I mentioned, it's currently only available for Android devices. The idea behind this app is very simple. You just open the app. The first thing you'll see at the top is that you need to grant a couple of permissions. One is the overlay permission and the other is the accessibility permission. I'm going to enable the accessibility one, since that was the one I still needed to activate. Allow. Okay. And then we go back to the app. Alright. Further down we have the overlay settings. It's all very simple. You can change the opacity. You can choose whether the image is round or square. You can adjust the opacity, size settings, and horizontal and vertical offsets in pixels. I already have this adjusted because I've been testing it. I've set it more or less how I want it to look on my device, since every screen is different, although by default it already works very well. The app automatically detects where the contact's profile picture is located, so it can cover it. But you can fine-tune it a bit more to make it fit even better. I've already done that and selected two contacts I have here. It's as simple as typing the contact's name. You have to enter the exact name. Extra spaces or differences won't work. I know the exact name so the app doesn't get confused. You can tap to choose one of the predefined images or select one from your phone's gallery. For example, I'll pick this one, and for the other contact, I've chosen an image from the gallery. For example, this first one, okay? Very important. You can set up to 5 contacts in the 5 available slots at the same time. And you must always tap Save All settings. That's important. Otherwise, the changes you made won't be saved. So we tap Save All settings. Now, when we open WhatsApp, we'll see that the images are covered. Here you can see how they're hidden. As you can see, it's not 100% perfect. The app has to track where the contacts are in order to place the image on top, but it works really well. And it fulfills its purpose, which is not seeing the contact's profile picture for your mental health. If you don't want to see a certain contact's photo because they've set an image you don't want to look at, or I don't know, maybe your landlord, your boss, your ex, or whoever you like, or just for fun, you can set whatever picture you want. Got a friend named Elmo? Then you can set Elmo's picture for them. This also works when you open the chat, otherwise it wouldn't make much sense. It perfectly detects where the picture is and places the overlay there. As you can see, we can move it up and down and so on, but that's done from the app's settings menu. And that's basically the app. Even though it's not absolutely perfect, it's hard to glitch it and see the original image underneath. It works quite well. It's very fast at repositioning the overlay, so there's no risk of accidentally seeing the image you don't want to see from your WhatsApp contact. Alright, so as you know, the app is called Hide WhatsApp Profile Pic, and you can find it on the Google Play Store for Android devices.